Hi, Scott here at the OMCAN Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to use the OMCAN potato peeler. For the demonstration today, we are actually just going to place this in our sink. We recommend that you do hook this up to a water line as well as a drain. Here's your waterproof control panel. Simply turn it on and off with that button there. This will run your machine, this will manually run the machine, and this will stop it. These two buttons here will able to let you control the timing. Clicking it once will go up by 10 seconds, holding it will go up by single seconds. And there you go, peeled potatoes ready to go for your next step. And don't forget, OMCAN has you covered for all your restaurant needs. Just visit us at omcan.com.